Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can add device cam to the apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select the option device care, and then from here you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select settings, and in settings you should see the option show device care on app screen. You want to tap on the toggle to turn it on. So once that is enabled, whenever you swipe up for the app screen, or if you're using the home screen, when you just swipe through the home screen, then you'll notice the device care icon has been added there. So from here, if you want to access your device care settings quickly without having to go through the settings menu, you can just tap on the icon like that, and it will open your device care settings. This also applies if you're using the cover screen. So if you go to the cover screen and then you want to add the device care to the apps screen, you go to settings, under settings, device care, tap on the three dots, select settings, and ensure that show device care on app screen is enabled. And now when you swipe up for your app screen, you should see device care there, and to access your device care settings, just tap on it like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.